So, you've just finished a big project in CapCut PC, you hit export, and now you can't find the video anywhere. Don't worry. In this quick video, I'll show you an easy way to find those videos so you can upload them to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or other social media accounts. Let's open the CapCut app on our PC. Keep in mind, this will work on both Windows and MacBook devices. I'm currently on my MacBook, but if you're a Windows user, just follow the steps exactly. Open CapCut and open a random project. It doesn't matter which one. Make sure that you have at least one video in your timeline. Now, click on the export option at the top right corner of the screen. This is the part you want to focus on. Under the export section, just click on the little folder icon. This will open the folder where all of your CapCut videos, including your previous exports, are saved. For me, all of my videos are currently exporting to the App Tutor Videos folder. I'm going to exit CapCut because I don't need it anymore. Now, I just need to find the App Tutor Videos folder on my computer. You can use the search bar on Windows or the Spotlight search on Mac. Then open that folder. Here it is. And here are the projects I've been looking for. These are the videos I edited for my YouTube channel. That's essentially how you can find your exported videos on CapCut for PC. If you want, you can create a new folder, go back to CapCut, select the little folder icon, and change the export path. This way, all of your new projects and finished videos will be saved to the new folder you created. If you found this guide useful, consider leaving a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.